Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancies released by GAIL India Limited. So let's start the video. Friends, GAIL India is a Maharatna PSU company and they have released various vacancies in non-executive cadre. So let's discuss those vacancies. If you see serial number 8, there is a vacancy for junior accountant. Post code is 18. Friends, is a S5 grade vacancy as a supervisor. So total 14 vacancies are there, out of which 7 vacancies are for unreserved category candidate. Rest are all for reserved category candidate. Then at serial number 17 there is a vacancy for accounts assistant. Post code is 16. It's a S3 grade vacancy. Total vacancies are 13 and 6 vacancies are for unreserved category candidate. Rest are all for reserved category candidates. So like this, total 27 vacancies are there in finance domain. Now let's talk about the essential qualification and all other details. So for junior accountant, pay scale will be in the range of 29,000 to 1,20,000. Here upper age limit asked is 28 years for unreserved category EWS category candidate, and then there is a certain age relaxation for reserved category. Grade is S5 as I already mentioned. Here the essential qualification asked is either a CA Inter or CMA Inter, or you should be a master's degree, that is MCOM, with minimum 2 years with minimum 60% marks. So then only you are eligible. So CA Inter, CMA Inter or MCOM pass candidate is eligible, and candidate should be proficient in operations of personal computers, having basic knowledge of skills in MS Office. And the essential experience asked is here that you should have minimum 2 years post qualification experience in finance and accounts department in state, central department or organization undertaking, or large private sector organization, institutes, companies of repute as an employee for that plant undertaking or organization. Then only you will be eligible. Here post qualification experience, your articleship experience will not be counted. So do keep this in mind. Articleship experience will not form part of this essential experience criteria. Then for accounts assistant, here the pay scale will be 24,500 to 90,000. Upper age limit is 26 years for unreserved and EWS category candidate, and then there is a age relaxation for reserved category candidate. Grade is S3. Here the qualification asked is bachelor's degree with minimum 3 years duration in commerce. So basically BCom degree is asked with minimum 55% marks. And again, candidate need to have a computer skill like Office, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. And for this post also minimum essential experience is asked. So minimum 1 year post qualification experience is asked in finance and accounts. And here they have mentioned only full-time regular course will be considered. So your BCom and MCom should be regular and not from distance. Then only it will be considered. And here they have mentioned if you are having a higher qualification, you will be ineligible for the post. So for junior accountant, if you are a CA, CMA, MBA, PGDM or PhD candidate, then you are eligible. Why? Because you are overqualified for this post, which is kept for the supervisor level candidate. And for accounts assistant, the same CA, CMA, CA Inter, CMA Inter, MBA, PGDM or MCOM candidates are ineligible. So my CA Inter friend, do keep this in mind. You can apply only for junior accountant and not for accounts assistant, else you will be considered ineligible. And your minimum post qualification experience should be as on 7th September 2024. So by this date you should have either 2 years or 1 year of experience depending upon the post you are applying for. And again, your upper age limit should be as on 7th September 2024. And here they mention the remuneration for S5 grade, basically for junior accountant. Your pay scale is 29,000 to 1,20,000 and initial basic pay will be 29,000, and for S3 grade initial basic pay will be 24,500, and apart from the basic pay you will be paid all other bonuses, allowances, etc. as per the company policy. Now place and assignment, friends, selected candidate can be posted at any location, project or offices of GAIL India as per their requirement. Now application fee, friends, here you need to make an application fee of rupees 50. How to apply? Friends, candidate need to apply through online mode only by visiting website of the company, and you can apply for only one post. Rest details are mentioned regarding step-by-step process. You can check them. Now selection process, very important. And selection process for junior accountant will be based on written test, and for accounts assistant will be again based on written test only. So there will not be any interview, and your written test will consist of 100 questions, and each questions will have 1 marks, and there will not be any negative marking for wrong answer. So that's really a good thing. You can attempt all questions and you will be provided 90 minutes to answer these 100 questions. And the cutoff marks or qualifying marks for unreserved category candidate will will be 40%. You need to score 40% and 35% for OBC candidate and 30% for SC, ST, PWBD category candidate to make yourself eligible for the merit list. And they have mentioned shortlisted candidate in the ratio of 1:5. That is, for one post 5 candidate will be called for skill test. So basically they will test your skill with regards to whether you are computer literate or not. You can work on Excel, PowerPoint and Word. So they will take a skill test for those area. Test centers, friends, they have mentioned test will be in the selected cities. So these all cities are there. Fill the centers which is closest to your home. Now important dates, friends. Online registration are already started from 8th August 2024 and last date of making online registration is 7th September 2024 up to 6 p.m. So by this date you need to make an application. So friends, if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, then do definitely give it a try and fill up this application. You will get a good exposure working in a PSU company. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.